Yo, we back with another video. And today we have another ship out video. So let's get into the video. So today we have the Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards. These are fire. These are a fire pair of shoes. These are the lows. Now, let me see if I can find them. Let me move these Derek Jeters if anybody know what those are. And let me grab these. Now these are maybe like the second pair I got. They usually get bought in like a week or so. They're not the hottest shoe, but they are nice. So I'm gonna get these two plastic wrapped. And I do not want to hear it on this second shoe. This is like my first time ever actually putting plastic wrap on shoes. But it'll do, no cap. So next thing I had to do was find a box. But obviously this wasn't gonna work, so I had to go back and find another one. And I was all like, let me make sure this fits or this will work before I even tape it up. So I taped up the bottom, put the shoes in, and then next was finding the bubble wrap. Boom, bubble wrap done. And I know, look at the box. I mean, anything that ships out of shoe is fine. If you can get it, you can get it. So now we on the final step is just taping up the box. Getting the label on it and then taking it to UPS so the buyer can get their shoes. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more like, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And we out.